What's up, homies? We're back for another one. Today we're going to be actually working on Lori's car. She just got a 2018 Civic SI. So we're going to be putting a front lip on her car, so I'll show you real quick. So American Auto Modified sent me this lip for my car, and it ended up not fitting. And coincidentally, she ended up getting this car recently, and I was like, well, look, to not let it go to waste, let me give it to you and we'll put it on your car and still make a video for them. So they're pretty much the sponsor for this video. Again, we'll be doing some more stuff to my car soon, but with moving and everything, I'm gonna have to chill out a little bit. My car is still here. It's all dirty and whatnot. I hadn't got to clean it in like 2 months, but we have some other cars here too. We have Shane's RSX, Stancy boy. Got the base in the back, and then we got the race car. What year model wagon?
91 CB9.
91 CB9 wagon that Shane had bought it off of one of our buddies that has a G-swap in it. It's a Frankenstein motor, and he's been trying to get it all together to where we can get it going. So
I could crank it up if you want. It runs.
yeah, well, maybe we'll crank it up after we get everything done. But anyway, let's get to the task at hand. All right, so we had to pull this little stock, I don't even know what you call this, some kind of little liner deal. But now we're mocking it up. It fits better now?
It feels like it to me. Yeah. You flush on that end, like with the wheel well?
Yes.
At the edge of the bumper?
Yes.
So, yeah, it definitely fits a lot better. Cool. So, so now basically we're gonna just hold it up, and Shane's gonna pre-drill some holes, and then we'll get it all screwed in and whatnot. Should be a fairly simple, straightforward process. The only thing with that wing is it comes in 3 pieces and you just have to put it together. But other than that, I mean, it's really not hard whatsoever. But again, we'll have to tinker with it a little bit, get the fitment right and whatnot. But I'll time lapse us doing that, and we'll show you all the final product in a second. All right, so this is what we got. Fitment is pretty nice on this thing. Again, I really don't know if this one was for this particular model or not, but it was definitely fitting a lot better on this than it did on mine when I initially tried. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. But yeah, super easy install. Shane's gonna fire some more bolts into it because it's not like exactly the most secure thing, but yeah, looks pretty cool. So all right, extra screws added, probably about as stiff as it'll get for now, but looks cool. Definitely need to lower it. All right, so there you have it. Simple little lip install. Again, shout out to American Modified Auto Sports.
Bro, come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Or however you say their name, I'll have it right here. But yeah, thank y'all again. I'm glad I could give it to somebody, and we'll get a picture for y'all. We'll go ahead and send it to you, everything. So thank y'all. We're about to go to Artie's house real quick. He's a real OG in the car scene. So he's doing some stuff with turntables and whatnot, like DJing and whatnot. So we're gonna go stop by over there, and I'll close it out over there. So I'll catch y'all in a few.
It's 5x120.
Mine's 114.
Yeah, me and him have the same bolt pattern, I think.
All right, so Artie's about to do some scratching. This is what I wanted to show everybody. That's fucking tight, dude.
Real quick.
right, so we're back at my house. I was in the middle of editing and I realized that I forgot to actually film an outro for this video. So again, I'm sorry I butchered y'all name like 3 times, but AmericanModified.com. They have a whole bunch of 10th gen parts if anybody's looking for anything. They have competitive prices and whatnot. Again, thank y'all for sponsoring this video. I know y'all sent the parts for me, but it's okay. I'm glad I got to go to somebody else. And thank you, Artie, for throwing a little bit of old school in this video and showing us some turntable action. We had a good time Memorial Day hanging out with him and talking cars with everybody. So on a serious note, love y'all. I appreciate y'all for watching. And thank you, and I will see y'all again in the next one. See you.